In 2017, I was working a £10 per hour 9-to-5 lifeguarding job, making just over £20,000 per year. Fast forward 5 years, I've now created my own social media marketing agency that does a pre-tax revenue of £100,000 per year. And for full transparency, here's my invoicing software. As you can see, I've had low months at 3,000 and I've had high months like May 2022 where I was so close at hitting that big £10,000 a month. My name's Joel Blackman, I'm 25 years old, I have my own social media marketing agency, and I'm not here to try and sell you anything. Now, I've been in your position. You're working a 9-to-5 job, you don't enjoy it, you want to leave and start your own business, but the only reason why you're not doing it because you're scared of actually starting and leaving your 9-to-5 job. I mean, I get it. I understand it. I've been in that situation. I know firsthand how scary it is leaving a 9-to-5 job that pays you a good amount of money to go and start your own business where you've got no clients, no money coming in, and all you're relying on is your dreams and hopes of running your own business. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I went from my 9-to-5 job to owning a 6-figure marketing agency pre-tax. Remember, it's pre-tax. I mean, it's all right for me to sit here and go, I'll make £100,000 a year, but when the tax man comes after you, you haven't got £100,000 in your bank, do you? Let's be honest. That's one thing the course sellers are not telling you, all right? They're lying to you. Ever since I was 16, 17, 18, bearing in mind I'm 25 now, I always had in the back of my mind that I was going to do something that was going to make me lots of money. So going back to 2017 when I was lifeguarding, probably about 2 or 3 months before I actually ended up writing my letter saying, I'm going, see you later, I bought myself a camera and started filming promotional videos. And I started by creating promotional videos for free because what kind of company will say no to a free promotional video? And I'll always remember the first paid promotional video I'd done was probably 5 or 6 years ago now, and it was for a football academy who paid me the same amount of money than sitting on a lifeguarding chair for a whole week, but it took me 3 hours to film and edit and deliver the content to the client. And to be honest with you, I think that was the click moment for me where I realized I just made the same amount of money in 3 hours than I would have in 40 hours sitting on a lifeguarding chair watching people swim. And that was pretty much my job for the remainder of the 2 or 3 years. I was chasing clients, trying to find people who I can do promo videos for, outreaching to everybody. And the problem that I ran into was I was trying to chase people too much. You know, people only want a promotional video once a month or twice a month. They're not wanting it every day. So I ended up chasing the client instead of those clients coming to me asking for a promotional video. And that's where my second click happened, where I said, you know what, well, why don't I just build a retainer and a package for these clients where I offer them a monthly video, a monthly photo shoot, and I take over their social media running their Google and Facebook ads if they need them. And that's where I kind of started stumbling into this SMMA world where it was social media marketing agency, whatever you want to call it. I kind of fell into that industry, but in a slightly different way, which I'll mention in a few different videos when they're uploaded on this channel. So instead of me charging £300 or £400 for a one-off video and they just give it to them and that's it, I don't have anything else to do with it, I now charge them a fixed retainer rate of, I mean, my clients pay me anywhere between £650 a month and £1,500 a month, depending on how big their business is and how much work is required from myself. But typically I give them 1 or 2 shooting days per month, and then I come home to my home office, which we are now, edit all the content, schedule it on social media, and that client would be done for the month. And what works really well is if that person who owns the business wanted to employ somebody, they're going to have to pay them twice as much as I would charge them anyway, and they wouldn't be able to do photos, videos, editing, and social media management all within the same job role, of which I can cater to all of it by doing it myself at home. So at this current time, I have 15 clients, again ranging from £650 to £1,500 a month. I give them a certain amount of shoot days per month. They come back to me, tell me the days they can do. I can go and shoot for them. When I come home, I edit all the content. And the best thing is, every single one of my clients is pretty much a friend of mine. So I have that personal respect and personal relationship with them, which I find makes my job a whole lot more easier. So if you're looking to own your own business and leave that 9-to-5 job, please leave a comment in the comment section of this video or reach out to me on Instagram. I want to try and help as many of you as possible do the same thing that I did. I managed to leave that 9-to-5 job and start my own business. It doesn't matter if it's social media marketing. It doesn't matter if it's videos or photos or Google ads or whatever it is. I can help you as much as possible. And no, again, I'm not selling an online course. I don't want to charge you. Just watching this video, leaving a comment, sharing it, and giving it a thumbs up is enough for me. So thank you guys for watching. And honestly, if you're thinking about doing it, the thing you have to do the most is just fucking do it.